What's going on, guys? It's Brandon here, back with another YouTube video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but yeah, just making my little YouTube comeback right now. I'm gonna start doing a lot of sneaker videos on this channel, so yeah, with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So as you can see right here, I got a new pickup. I actually won a raffle and kit for the Nike waffles, the Nike LDV waffle with Sacai. So we're gonna be unboxing it today. So here's the box, guys, just the standard Nike box. As you can see, 11.5. So yeah, just a plain old vintage Nike box. And now we're gonna go ahead and unbox them really quick. So here we go, guys. This is the Nike LDV Waffle with Sacai. So here in the back, it says Nike and Sacai. If you see closely, kind of meshed together. Here you got the double check on the front with the mesh. The mesh is pretty thin. I don't know about the material on that. I've heard a lot of complaints that the material actually breaks after a few wears or something like that. I'm not sure, but it does kind of seem a little flimsy. Here we got the touch of suede right here. That yellow suede along with the green suede on the inner. Then here on the tongue, it says Nike Sportswear. And then on the other tongue, it says Sacai, Nike Sacai. Then it comes with the gray, with the white and gray laces. But it also comes with the black pair that I showed you guys. And yeah, that's basically the shoe. Here's the sole again. Protruding outsole. And then here's the bottom, the waffle bottom. And then yeah, that's basically it. I was able to win these on a kit raffle. So I was able to get them for retail, luckily, but they're going for around 300 bucks now on StockX. So if you want, you can go ahead and pay resale for that. I would suggest waiting until they actually release on sneakers, which should be today. And then once everybody gets their pairs in, that would be the best time to actually buy, because everybody's going to be selling theirs as quick as possible. So I don't know if I'm going to keep these. I don't think so. I'm most likely going to sell these. And yeah, so that's going to be it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.